Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Zadie, iron train! Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Hear, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, go. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, go. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, no more candy on the train. Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. 2 little dinosaurs. Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. So Kitty called the bunder, and the bunny then said, slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Choo, choo, go. Crazy, crazy train. One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, Dino train is working well. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy dinos steal the show. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Fairy shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. I know starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day. Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray. The numbers are disappearing. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow! Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Celebrate! Yay, let's dance! Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV Shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal.